Blue.
No. Oh, reverse. You put down another blue.
+2.
Ah. Yellow. I don't have any more yellow. No. She's too busy making tapping sounds on her phone. Oh, damn. You ready to play, Mom?
Okay, show me how to do this.
Olivia. Olivia, don't.
Hold on.
Skip.
So basically, if you have and you have two or one more card, if you have two, you have to shout out Uno and put one card down if it matches the game.
But 2 left.